Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Google Stitch tutorial. Let's create UI button group. Google Stitch is an AI-native design tool from Google Labs that generates high-fidelity UI designs and front-end code, HTML, CSS, React, from natural language prompts. Here is the browser-based Google Stitch AI interface. Giving the prompt for the UI button group. Create UI button group with on-click button states change. Apple, orange and banana. Click on Generate button to render the result. Your result is rendering. Please wait. Refining the prompt. For button on click event. Change the button states on selecting each button. Refining the prompt for hero images update on click event. Show the hero images of particular fruits and market information. Result for UI button group. Apple, orange, and banana. And on clicking hero images, market information has been updated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.